So hey guys, this is Varsha. So today I'm on live to interact with you all. What are the likes? I don't think so. People are started. Okay. 2. So let people join. I'll start up with the live. Okay. So hi to everyone. How you all doing? Okay. Thank you so much for everyone. A nice performance, this Rajendra. Hi Rajendra. Okay, let's get started now. So don't mind if I'm looking a little skeevy, okay? Since it is passive days are up because of the virus issues and all. So how you all spending time at home? I know it's really tough to just sit at one place, do absolutely nothing. I know it's a little risky task. So coming up to me, I do nothing. I know it goes really passive. I just do workout in the morning. After that, it is just as passive as it is. So yeah, I'm good. Thank you. Ramesh Paltia, hi. Deepthi, hi. So let's avoid this hi and hello if you guys don't mind. Let's come up to something productive, something interesting if you don't mind. Hi Ka, hi. Getting bored in home, of course it is. But yet I feel happy for one reason, that I'm spending good time with my family, because when we are at the shoot or when I'm in Hyderabad, I really get no time to spend with them or no time to talk to them. So I'm happy in that way. I'm spending really good time with my parents. Lives daily by watching all your celebs live. Okay. Where is Arya sir? Shriram Venkat sir. Sorry, he's not alive. Getting bored in home after seeing you. I'm enjoying. Thank you so much, Shrikant. Nice looking, cool and cute. Thank you so much. Okay, so one thing I would like to tell, as I'd already told you all with, in the video before, so it is completely our responsibility. So I urge all the people out there, whoever is watching this video, to stay home. Let's do our duty as well, because being an Indian citizen, it is completely our responsibility to stay home. So let's do it. I'm from Australia, Saumya. Thank you so much for watching our serial from Australia. Sounds great. First self-introduction required. What kind of introduction do you guys want? So beautiful, thank you. Serial name there in Kannada, right? But Telugu version is awesome. Thank you so much. So tell me how you guys spending time at home. Let's quit up with all this hi and hello for now. So let me know how you guys spending time at home. I actually want to rush back to my shoot now. So I'm really missing my shooting days. From morning to evening, I used to shoot and then get back home. My schedule was tightly packed, but for now I'm just flying around without any work. Okay, so Prema Anta Madhuram serial, awesome. Thank you so much. Rudru Lakshmi, Hamavati Charitri, I'm Dubai watching your serial. Very nice. Thank you so much. Oh, lots of love from different places. That's great. Lovely Guy 3. Real age is 19. Yes, I'm 19. I'm 2000 born. Hi madam, how are you? I'm Varsha. My real name is Varsha. Playing indoor games. That's great. Of course we have to do that. Nothing else at home. How's your parents? They are doing great and they're really happy that I'm here. because they were a little worried. Before the lockdown I was supposed to be here, so luckily my schedule got over before the lockdown and I was here. Missing your serial badly. Yeah, definitely. Once everything is settled down, we'll bounce back with the great episodes, and we'll always be there to entertain you. And even now I'm live just to entertain you all. Yeah, so we'll just come back, don't worry. Yeah, hi. Skincare secret. Nothing. I do absolutely nothing to my skin. I just keep smiling. Spend with family and no updates about corona. Updates about corona. I guess, as I told you before, it is our responsibility. So let's all stay at home and let's, fight against it. Serial, love you so much. Mankali, Amulya, thank you so much. Where are you from? Sai, Ravi Teja. I'm from Bangalore. Stay home, very nice experience. Family time, of course. That's a great experience. I too. Okay, I'm from Karnataka. Hegidira, Telugu, Nalli. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, I had got a comment from, in Canada. And thank you. Hi, Varshagaru. I'm from Odisha. Always I watch your serial. Rajendra Reddy, thank you so much. It means a lot from different places. You guys are watching our serial. Means a lot. Thank you. What special you had today? There's nothing special. My day is going really passive. The only thing I do which is productive is I just work out in the morning. Other than that, I do absolutely nothing the entire day. I just eat, I just sleep and roam around the entire home. That's it I do. Meghna Gowda. Thank you so much, Meghna Gowda. But acting in Prema and Madhuram is too good. Your expressions in serial is natural and is innocent. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Saranya, your acting is awesome. Pavan Kumar King. Thank you. What is your native place? I'm from Bangalore itself. Born and brought up in Bangalore. Acted in Kannada. There were a few serial I did in Kannada as well. So, where are you at present? In Bangalore, my home, my sweet home. So, looking like half mental. What's that hair? Yogi Reddy, look like half mental. Thank you so much, Yogi. I do take up negative comments as well. If I'm looking like a half mental, I don't think so. You can watch the video. Telugu, huh? Can you talk? I mean, I'm just learning Telugu. I'm not that much, I don't have that fluency in Telugu, so I'm so sorry. I'll definitely get back with the Telugu live once I have just learned everything clearly. Flatten to your voice. Thank you so much, Sai Kumar Reddy. Thank you. Nice expression. That's better to stay at home. Exactly. Your expressions are very nice, Prasanna Praveen. Thank you so much. Hello, hi. Love your serial. Thank you, Varun Teja. Looking beautiful. One dialogue in ZTV. అంటే ఇప్పుడు షూటింగ్ లేదు కాబట్టి నాకు అది ఫ్లో తగ్గిపోయింది. ఐఎమ్ సో సారీ. తెలుగు మెనీ ఆర్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ మీ టు టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు, బట్ ఇప్పుడు నేర్చుకుంటున్నానండి. కొంచెం టైం ఇవ్వండి, డెఫినెట్గా మాట్లాడతాను. ఫిదా, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. What advice you're going to give the school students? School students, of course, the government has taken a very good decision anyways. It is completely a lockdown for now, and I request you all to just follow the instructions given by any kind of source related to this way. So please do follow the instructions and stay at home. Sai Sonu, thank you so much. Naga Sumant, hi, you're enjoying Corona holidays. Not exactly like enjoying, as I told you, just that I'm at home. I feel happy for that. Okay. How is your experience with Telugu serial? This is my first project in Telugu, and of course I'm really enjoying it. Super gorgeous, madam. This one, thank you so much. Top serial in Telugu. Thank you. Are you not missing Prema and the Madhuram team? Of course, I'm missing them. I literally wanted to, get back to my work life. So, yeah, we'll do it very soon. Without knowing Telugu, how are you telling Telugu dialogues? Okay. Telugu dialogues in the sense, we prepare it before, coming, in front of the camera, we prepare it. Hi Varsha Garu, I love your serial expressions, and Aryavardhan Garu. Thank you so much, Amani Sagar. Your acting is good. You're beautiful and innocent. Okay. So, okay guys, your face looking beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you to everybody out there who is giving a positive response to the video. Thank you so much. And I guess this is my second time I'm on live, so I'm not that much used to being live as well. I'm so sorry if I've talked something wrong. Hello my dear friend. Okay, who's that? Ghosh, thank you. Looking gorgeous, thank you. Cute expression. Okay, I hope you all are enjoying the serial as well, and don't mind because of the retelecast or something like that. Once the issues are settled out, we will come back with the good episodes. I will miss the Prema and the Madhuram serial because of Corona. Yes, even I'm missing my shooting as well. Okay. Hi Varsha, Niharika Bachu, hi Anil Smart, thank you so much. What is your future projects? Projects, so sorry, I have no idea what are my future projects. I'm just going with the flow. Any projects up, let's check out. Beautiful, thank you. Where is Aryavardhan sir? Aryavardhan sir is not here on live. Sir is in Hyderabad. Cute expressions, thank you so much. Thank you. I'm glad that there are so many followers, and there are so many people watching our serials out there. So when is your date of birth? 11th December 2000. Okay. What kind of problem you faced when you are a common girl? What kind of a problem? I don't think so any problem will be faced when you're a common girl. Neither now. Hi Anu, looking good. Thank you so much. What's your studies, please, sister Cheppandi? I'm an interior designer. Stay home and stay safe, Anu. Yeah, I ask you to do the same. So just stay at home. Tell something about Aryavardhan sir. Aryavardhan sir, Sriram sir has been a great back support for me, where it might be in acting or... I'm so sorry, the video was paused. Okay, so it's been a great back support for me. The entire team is really friendly, and that is where I'm, so comfortable to work there. So I would like to thank the entire team for making me so comfortable. Okay, I'm so sorry. Got a chance to act Mahesh Babu. Anna, what will you say? Of course I would accept it. Okay. Good English, Akka. Thank you, Amulya. Okay, so I was just here to know what you guys were doing, and also to tell what I was doing. And okay, so it's time now, and I'm going off the live. So hope you all enjoyed, and we had a good time together. but I had a good time interacting with you all. So thank you so much, and I'll definitely get back again, as soon as possible. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great evening. Bye.